I've made thousands with several shorts on multiple channels, and if you want to do the same, you first need to start with an aged account. If you don't have one, then you can create a new Gmail and warm it up by watching shorts for an hour over 2 to 3 days. Now find a niche by scrolling on shorts and make a list of channels under this checklist, which you can screenshot. To make sure the channel is monetizable, you can type in the URL and submit it into YT Large. Then filter through the list and find what you like most. It's good to pick something that you have an interest in. Once you've done that, curate your shorts feed to that content by engaging with it. Find channels that upload the content by typing in keywords into the search bars. Engage with the content, like, comment, subscribe. The algorithm will begin to push more of that content out to you. Then you can generate a list of creators in that niche and see what they do and how you can add your own spin to the content to make it a little better. Now learn to edit using CapCut, as it's the easiest. There's loads of tutorials on YouTube. To find ideas, you need to see what's performing best for the creators in your niche. Look through their videos and see if you can find any patterns among the best performers. For example, if their best short is about ski stunts gone wrong, do the same but with clips they didn't use. Also, remember to curate your For You page on Instagram and TikTok to the niche that you're doing, because the feed can act as a video idea machine. Next, start posting once per day. Aim to improve every video and play around with different formats, lengths, ideas, and so on. As soon as one video does better than the rest, that's an outlier. What we're going to do is double down on that video format and idea, but again, add a small twist. For example, if your most viral video is about the most expensive car, you'll do one on the most expensive boat. Keep repeating this until you get a few million views. Then get a music deal so you can 2 to 3x your RPM. You can get one easily by filling out the form in the description. After that, stay consistent and keep posting. You will reach 10 million views in 90 days, and then you can apply for monetization and start earning with shorts feed ads. And one of the final steps is outsourcing by finding editors inside video editing discords and asking on Twitter. You're going to train them up and pay them to make your videos exactly like you do. And lastly, repeat and scale.